Hello, it's your girl Gloria bringing you a Hobrasia kitchen. I decided to make some lunch for myself and I'm using my leftover veggies and fish. So let's cook lunch. Have my salt, pepper, paprika, hot pepper, white pepper, garlic, my rice. This rice is very good and healthy. It's Genesis 49 verse 10, and they have a bread called Ezekiel bread is very healthy too. You can try that one too. And I have my hot oil. I'm gonna use that one for the rice for some heat. So my pans are ready, my water boiling. Your girl is ready to cook. Hungry. My salt. Okay, then I add the rice, 2 cups, and my hot oil. Okay, in here I'm adding a little bit of oil. This pan don't need a lot of oil. It's very good pan. Very good pan. You get some from originalmamabetties.com. We have here our zucchini and the squash. I'm gonna add olive oil and add some salt to it. Okay. A little bit of water to steam it. Now that our fish is on the stove, we're gonna spice this oregano, onion powder, fish without onion, paprika, garlic powder, and white pepper. Yep, red pepper. And a little bit of black. Mix our spices. Yeah. I have soy sauce, mayonnaise, honey. The mayonnaise, you can use the organic one. I don't have that one. Making sauce for the rice. A little bit honey. This soy sauce. Yay, family, we're done with our lunch. Yay, your sauce, this is the sauce, your sauce nini. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.